Hey, this is Jeff again. I got the 98 Bluebird LTC40 home. It's basically a Wander Lodge, a seated Wander Lodge. Has a Series 60 Detroit with a B500 Allison. It's been sitting a while. It's a little rough, but hey, it'll go as fast as you want to go, and it feels like you're sitting on the living room couch doing it. That B500 is a 6-speed push button. It's really quiet too. You hear more wind noise than you hear engine. Excuse the mess, none of that crap is mine. My stuff don't look like that. Well, this one does for right now. This is the before video. Needs a parking brake actuator. I had originally pulled up quite a bit, about right there. Do you know how hard it is to scotch a rolling 50,000 pound GVWR bus? Had a little issue, but hey, it's more room for the video. Yes, it has a 50,000 pound GVWR. Couldn't quite spit it out. Yes, it was. You can't hold your foot on the brake and scotch it at the same time, but hey, I managed it. Bye-bye.